Yo, what's up, guys? I'm gonna do a quick walk by my collection here, and then we're gonna go to the bench. Yeah, I got things to do. Things to do. Look at that. Oh, that's an upside down. Well, it's an on-end XRT. Hey, look, it's a little dog. Yeah, all right. You seen my collection. Let's go. All right, to the studio. We have arrived. Let's put some light on the subject. All right, what's on the bench? Well, that is a TRX4 Sport, front and rear locking diffs, but it is 6S capable. Yeah, it's a crawler. Anyways, I have two powered servos from Rhino RC. They're gonna replace the, I'll call them budget 35 kilogram servos, right? And that might be upside down, but yeah, they're not exactly budget, but they're good servos. People use those in robotics. Anyways, I'm gonna replace those with two of these, and I'm gonna have them be powered by a BEC. So we'll see how that goes. That's another video. What else? All right, so we got the would-be monster crawler that's there, and then we have this bad boy down here. Oh, it's so heavy, so heavy. No, I'm kidding. All right, so this bad boy right here is a Team PRP chassis. And yeah, it's ready to receive a body. I got magnetic body mounts for it, and this little jewel right here should give me the switch and be able to do some really cool monster truck type of things. What else do I got that's on deck for tomorrow? That might be it. You know? Oh, I got one I can show you. All right. So, crawler, monster truck aside, right? Monster truck aside. We have this thing right here, right? So I'll leave it here. Body, right? And then we have this. Oh, yeah, boy. That is a 110 car that is 12S capable. So, yeah. That's it. That's really all I really wanted to show you guys, is that I have a 110 car that is 12S capable. Right, so I got two Hobbywing Max 8 Easy Runs in here, right? They're the G2s, right? I got a 2250 censored Hobbywing motor to pair with both of those ESCs, right? 2 times 2. So, the only other thing I can really tell you about is that it's Mod 1 gearing. I got a 26 in the middle, and I got a 25 on each of the motors. So, yeah. This is a fucking screaming machine if I can actually make it go fast by not pulling on the trigger so hard. Still needs a servo. and a receiver with a gyro. That's it. So I'm still thinking about that, but yeah, it's a. I'm gonna turn this here. Well, maybe not. Yeah, 110 car and 12S. We'll see how it goes. Anyways, that's all I have for you. A 6S crawler and a 12S 110 car and yeah, monster truck that should be an absolute trick demon. So what? Trick demon, speed demon, crawling demon. Okay, so I covered the 3 big ones as far as RC cars go, I think. So, yeah, thanks for swinging in, and I'll see y'all on the next one, probably with some more bodies. Bye.